Alright, so on today's video I just wanted to take you guys on a ride. I have some upgrades that are gonna be going into the Can-Am, so I'm taking it into a shop tomorrow, and I just want to do some comparison shots. So I'm gonna do some today before the upgrades. I downloaded this app that's gonna let me record my 0 to 60. I don't believe it's super accurate. I don't have a Dragy, otherwise I would have done it on the Dragy. So we're gonna test it on this app I downloaded on the phone. For the most part, it seems to be good enough to give me some numbers, and if it's consistent, I'll be able to compare them after the upgrades. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright, so I got two apps that I downloaded, and they both tell me the GPS signal, and we're close to 100 here, so we're gonna use that one. So here, actually let me check the other app as well. Waiting on the GPS. It's at 100. We'll set it down. Alright, here goes the first one. So let's try this again. Ready, our GPS is at 100. Do another one. The first one didn't register, not sure why, but this one was a 6.6 0 to 60. So we'll give it another go. All right, let's give this a try. GPS at 100%. So 6.6 erased, so we're at 6.6, 6.0, and 6.5. Alright, time has come. Loading up the Can-Am. I've never loaded it like this in reverse. Supposedly it pulls better because of the weight distribution. So we'll give it a try. But we're finally gonna go get some clutching done. We're going to this known shop here in Arizona called Jeffrey Performance. So let's get this loaded. So just got done unloading here at Jeffrey's Performance. Hopefully we get to pick up today in the afternoon. But I'm excited. Let's see what it turns out. Alright, so just an update. Just got the call from the shop that it should be ready here in an hour or so. I am an hour away, so I'm heading over there now. It is like rush hour here. So they weren't able to get it done yesterday, but it's alright. Not in a hurry. I'm just excited to get it back and see how it runs, really. Luckily, there's an event this Saturday at 3:39. They're going to be doing some drag racing in the sand, and we'll be able to test it out there. Hopefully, we can keep up with some of the guys. There is a few that are way too upgraded, but it's all about having fun, luckily, and we'll be able to come home with a few W's, hopefully. So stay tuned. I'll go over the upgrades we did to the Can-Am. Well, the shop did, but it should help it a lot. It's gonna run a lot better. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Can-Am's ready. So just got home and I'm unloading. So we got that Evo Shift Tech on there. We also did the launch control setup, so we got the spring for that as well. So I'll show you guys in a little bit. I'll turn it on so you guys can see this thing spits fire. I'll probably do it the same way I was doing it last time. Here somewhere in Mexico, and we're just waiting for this track to clear out to give it a try. Lost signal. Come on, give me 100. Give me 100. Actually, let's put it here. Waiting for the GPS to give me 100. Signal's not working properly. puts us at 6.0, 0 to 60, 6.0. So I'm not sure if I'm launching properly. That's just the way I think I should launch. Not sure how long I have to build boost or not. But the numbers are a little better. For some reason the app is not as good as it was the other day. It is having me wait for the GPS signal a bit more, and it's cutting out. But it's just a regular app. I don't believe it to be 100% accurate. It's just to kind of get a ballpark of the numbers. It is faster than before. If you hear it beeping, that's when it loses signal and it's trying to reconnect. But I'm happy with it. We got 5.6 out of it, the fastest run, so I think we did good. So I do have my fiance with me. I did a launch with her without knowing earlier. I'm gonna pick her up right now and we're gonna do another launch. She doesn't like the noise, so I'm gonna launch with this, see what her reaction is. GPS, it kept losing signal. But it was able to register some runs. It does feel a lot faster.
Se levanta.
I know it. I can feel it.